question 19. Question 19 is testing students on the topic of periodic table, and the group that we are focusing on is the halogens, elements in your group 7. Okay, so before we attempt the question, let's recap a bit on the trend descending group 7, going down group 7. Okay, the first trend is regarding reactivity. Going down the group or descending the group, reactivity decreases. Okay, reactivity decreases, and then the second trend that students need to remember is that the melting point and boiling point of the element increases going down the group. All right. Apart from that, you also need to remember the states of the elements. Okay, so fluorine F2 and Cl2, F2 and Cl2, they are gases at room temperature. Bromine Br2, it is a liquid. Iodine and astatine, room temperature and pressure. At room temperature and pressure, they are solid. And going down the group, the colors of your halogen, it gets darker. Okay, so with this background information, let's attempt the question. Which deduction about the element astatine, AT is here, okay, can be made from its position in group 7? So it's a group 7 element, meaning it is a non-metal. So option A, it forms a covalent compound with sodium. What is covalent compound? Covalent compound, this is your compound formed between non-metal between non-metallic elements. Okay, so if it is bonding with sodium, which is a metal, then it should form an ionic compound, not a covalent compound. So option A is false. Okay, should be ionic. All right, so with that, A is out from our options. B, it is a gas at room temperature and pressure. I've already went through. Astatine, it is a solid. So false, solid at room temperature and pressure. We look at option D first. It is more reactive than iodine. False, it is below iodine. Below iodine, therefore less reactive than iodine. Astatine is less reactive than iodine. So D is also false. C, it is displaced from aqueous potassium acetate K80 by chlorine. This is true. Okay, true, as chlorine is a more reactive halogen than astatine. Okay, so chlorine being a more reactive halogen, it has the ability to displace astatine from aqueous potassium acetate. Hence, the answer for this question is C.